Hi friends, I want to thank you for stopping in and watching the content that I've created for you. I want to give you a little tip before you get in too deep, and that is the fact that on a YouTube app on your mobile device, the description is actually hidden, and the way you reveal the description is actually a little obscure, and I think a lot of people miss out on the fact that to see the description, you have to tap on the actual title. And most of the time you'll have to click on the more link, and then you'll see all the extra stuff that I've put together for you. In this case, there are links to the products I suggest in the videos. Sometimes I'll put bookmarks or chapter marks which have time links, which are a real time saver for you to be able to jump ahead or go back or review the content. Not every video I make has that, but in this case, this video has links, and a lot of times you'll hear YouTube creators talk about see more information in the description below. But unfortunately, YouTube has hidden that description from you. And the way you get to that on a mobile app is to tap on the title bar, and that'll reveal the description. On a web browser, on a desktop, it's a little bit different, but you still have to watch out for that show more link to help reveal all the extra content. So there you go. Now, dig in and enjoy. Thank you.